a keto blueberry dump cake. Is it possible? Join me in the kitchen to see how it turns out.
To get started with this recipe, you have to preheat that oven. Go ahead and turn it to 350 degrees. Now you see I have my 9x13 baking sheet. We're going to go ahead and spray it very nicely, i.e. we want to coat this pan with our nonstick cooking spray. I'm using the Spectrum coconut spray. I got it over at my local drug emporium. You could absolutely find this anywhere. And the reason I'm using coconut, I know some of y'all are like, wait a minute, Shelly, we've been watching this channel forever and we know you don't like coconut that much. I really don't, but this nonstick cooking spray, I don't get a coconut flavor. And if I was to use olive oil, it would kind of be weird. Now to this, we are going to add our frozen blueberries, 3 cups to be exact. You see that this is the Great Value brand, and I got this at Walmart because y'all know I'm bougie on a bayou. Y'all know I can't be affording to go shop at big old fancy pants stores. I have 2 kids. I pretty much do middle school homework every night. And yeah, I just don't have time to do the fancy shopping. Thumbs up if you are somebody who is just like me and loves the Walmart. And hey, if this is your first time watching it, go ahead and subscribe. My name is Shelly. I'm a dietitian, and I love to bring you lots of low-carb recipes and laughter to help lower those blood sugar levels and balance out those hormones. Remember, 4th cup of our frozen blueberries, 21 calories, 3 grams of net carbs. The star of the show is our Keto and Company Vanilla Keto Cake Mix. Now, again, I got this over at Drug Emporium. I just love that store. Comment below on your favorite health food store. Drug Emporium, the prices are awesome, but what I love about this Keto and Company Vanilla Keto Cake Mix, it's gluten-free. It's actually made with coconut flour, but again, it's not this overpowering flavor. They use erythritol and monk fruit to sweeten it, 2 net carbs, and I just can't tell you all, it is gluten-free and amazing. The winner is our Kerrygold. Now, Kerrygold is something I will spend a little bit of extra money on because it is, let's face it, amazing. We're using 1/4 of a cup, which is going to be half of that stick. Now, this is where I need to ask your advice. You see, I'm a little bit on the struggle bus with this. We have our knife, and I'm trying to cut it in really thin slices. Do you have a fabulous tip? I mean, I researched, and folks said use things like dental floss, a cheese cutter. Let me know what I should use because I want this to be really, really thin. And I'm not succeeding. And so I put this on top of the cake mix. So it's layered. Our frozen blueberries with the Keto and Company cake mix with the Kerrygold butter. That is all. That is all. Rejoice because you don't have to buy anything else. This is going to go in the oven for a good 45 minutes. Look at this. It is absolutely stunning, gorgeous, amazing. I want to take a bite into it right now, but I got to let it cool off. And if you were too busy laughing and not writing things down, you can scroll below for the recipe. And plus, be sure to sign up for my 7-day menu. It's in that description box. You just are going to click on the link. It's going to ask for your email address, and you can get some free recipes as well. Gang, if you love this recipe, if you're going to be making this recipe, be sure to subscribe for more low-carb recipes to balance out those hormones. Much love, gang. Bye-bye.